You will hear a man giving a welcome speech to new students at the University of Wesley. First, you have some time to look at questions 11 to 14. Now listen carefully to the welcome speech and answer questions 11 to 14.
Hello and good afternoon. My name is John Walker and I'd like to welcome you new students to the University of Wesley. What I'm going to do today is just explain to you about some of the facilities that you will find here on our main campus and where you will find them. If you look at the map on the overhead projector, let me talk you through some of the locations before describing some of them in more detail. Well, at present we are in the university's main lecture hall. If you go out of the main front entrance, then you will see opposite across the car park the entrance for the focal point of a lot of university life for most students. This is, of course, the Students' Union. About 150 yards on the left of the Union, as you look at it from here, is another focal point for the students, though not as popular as the Union, the University Library. Behind the library is the main university refectory, where many students eat both lunch and dinner. On the other side of the Union is the college chapel, and behind that there is a small hall of residence. There are 3 other halls of residence behind the Students' Union. Behind the hall that we are in now is the sports hall and grounds, and either side of us are academic departments with lecturers' offices, lecture halls and various labs. You will find it all a bit confusing at first, but you'll get to know your way around fairly quickly.
You will now have half a minute to check your answers.